I went ahead and hit the secondhand store today, and I'm going to show you what I found. First, for a whopping $4, I picked up this little cast iron skillet, marked with the number 3 there. Flip it over, it says 6.5 inch skillet made in the USA, and since it's marked made in the USA, you know that was made after 1960. Pretty cool. I believe that's a Wagner. This one here I picked up for $6. Marked on the back, number 5, 8 1/8 inch skillet, and I believe this is a Birmingham stove and range or a BSR cast iron skillet. So again, picked up both of those for $10. Pretty good deal. Now I've already got another video, I'll link in the description below, about how I go ahead and rehab old cast iron like this. There's a million videos on YouTube about it. I'm not going to go into all that right now. I'm just going to kind of show you these, and then I'm going to clean them up, and on the other side of the edit, bring you back and show you how they turned out. Overall, so far, I'm real happy. Well, you can see how these turned out, rehabbed and re-seasoned. I got approximately an hour and a half work into this. You can see how well that turned out. That's real nice. I like that size a lot. Kind of give you a little bit of a close-up there. See the sheen on that. This smaller pan, I'm a huge fan of this. See how well that turned out. I love this size. This one's going to stay in my kitchen. I'm going to use it hopefully this afternoon sometime. And that's it. So again, for, I don't know, what am I into this? $10 in an hour and a half of my time. 2 beautiful cast iron skillets, just because I was willing to keep my eyes open at the secondhand store. So again, can't beat it. If you get a chance to come across anything like this, especially at this price, you need to snatch them up. Now, as you can see here, here's another larger flat iron skillet that I picked up at a secondhand store. You might actually be able to see that. It still says $15 on the back of that. And I've used this thing a bunch, and it hasn't even burnt that off yet. Anyhow, $15. I actually didn't pay $15. It was half price day, so I paid like, what, $7.50 for that or something. So I'm still less than $20 for all these cast iron pieces. And these 2 here are going to go down to my cabin, so that's where those will stay. And the other ones will be used around the homestead here. So, hey, thanks for hanging out with me today, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or checking out one of our other videos right here.